Anyways, what's up guys? We're back finally. I know it's been a couple of months, but trust me, I've figured out lots and lots of plans for this year. Now, so I'm trying to think. I want to change up the platform just a bit. I love the Civic, I really do. I love the SI, the platform, it's amazing. But I'm thinking, why not trade it in for a German? You know? Something more like lively and fast and more, you can say luxurious, but I'm talking about a GTI. Now, the thing is, I love GTIs. They're great platforms to build. You know, you can get easy 500-600 horsepower on a stock block. Civic, it's not really a great platform to build, especially it's the 1.5T. It's not really a good platform to build on unless you fucking blow up the engine. So, but this car is still still makes me happy. This car rips. But yeah, no, definitely posting more consistently. I have lots and lots of content in store for you guys. Lots of big plans. I'm actually thinking of starting my own clothing brand for the channel. Something to, you know, put the Hesse Drift logo on a t-shirt or maybe a couple pieces of clothing. We'll see. You guys want coffee? I want coffee. I think I'm gonna go get coffee. Let's go get coffee. Fuck that. Okay, let's chill. I love my life, so let's chill out a bit. Jesus Christ, people don't know how to drive. Should I flash him? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, guys, I have a secret to tell you guys. I've been fueling my caffeine addiction. Lots and lots and lots of caffeine. Caffeine pills, espresso, back to back, you know. Just constantly downing that shit, you know, training till failure. Training the heart till failure. That's the most important thing to do, because in life there's a lot of failures that happen, and you know, one thing you got to do is train your heart till failure. That's the most important thing. Oh my god, that intake! That was full throttle, but fuck that. I was lugging the engine anyway. But yeah, if you never train anything till failure in your life, you're not going to get anywhere, because training till failure is what builds your, you know, character. So take my advice and train your heart till failure. It's a good idea. I'm not a doctor yet, so don't listen to me. Ooh, TRX, what the fuck? Nice. I love abusing this car. I take care of it good though. It's my baby. Hey, any of you guys hate that slap? I don't give a damn. Unsubscribe. It's my car. I can do whatever the fuck I want. See, like I said, people take corners at 20 miles an hour. Like, you know, they're holding on to dear fucking life. Like, yeah, I don't know. Stop being retarded. For future reference. But yeah, I'm on my way now to get coffee. Guys, maybe in a couple of days or so after this video, I have a surprise for you. Me and my boys were doing some run to the lake, and there's gonna be some cars that you guys might like, so, you know, keep that notification bell on, because You never know what's coming. You guys are always in room for surprises. I might go ghost for another 8 months, or I might just come back in a few days. Who knows? Let's hear that turbo. Okay. Almost launched that shit into the Hyundai. Woman so... Never mind. I don't want to become controversial. Let's go get some Xanax from the pharmacy. Uh-oh, I think I broke my axle. Boom, boom, boom. Literally all Honda boys. Boom, 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 boom. Freaking loud ass music. Especially at car meets. Yeah, and I'm making fun of the Honda boys. Fuck them. I'm a Honda boy myself. So, until I get fucking rid of it. Get a Germany tank. Did you guys know, fun fact, Volkswagen was founded by Hitler, and the Volkswagen logo is actually a stacked up on Nazi swastika. Yeah, look it up, fun fact. Anyways, I'm not condoning anything, so, you know, yeah. I'm just, this video is for educational purposes only, and for people who don't know how to drive. Oh my god, speaking of Volkswagen, look at that. Freaking egg spotted out of nowhere. A wild egg. Good thing they don't crack. No, I'm fine. Thought I snapped something. Oh, look, the caffeine is just calling my name. Calling my name. Calling my name. Oh, I can't wait to down like 1,000 milligrams of caffeine today. Let's see how many minutes I've been recording for. Oh no, it lost 13 minutes. That's a good video. Okay. Oh my god, I think that's an undercover cop. He just saw me go on my phone. I'm getting a ticket. Lord have mercy on my soul. Ugh. It's fun having a small turbo car, because you can spool that anywhere and you can hear the sexy noises. Oh shit. Subaru driver in the wild. Has the lesbian gay cut, doesn't it? Alright, let's park. Actually, let me park over there. Perfect. Alright, we're gonna enter. We're gonna enter in the drive-thru. Alright guys. That was the short video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, more stuff coming soon. Stay tuned. Peace.